Challenging, okay. Una po sa lahat, I would like to acknowledge the presence of our beloved supporters na nandito ngayon. Magandang gabi. At from the bottom of our hearts, gusto po namin magpasalamat sa inyong unconditional support. And gusto ko rin, I also would like to share the credit of the success of Barda kay David, kasi siya po naman talaga ang umpisang nagsimula ng Twitter serye sa Maria Clara at Ibarra. Siya naman po talaga ang nag-initiate ng Twitter serye na yun. Nakiride lang ako, tapos nagustuhan ng mga fans, kaya tumaas ang engagements namin sa Twitter. So I'd like to share the success, of course, with David, dahil grabe rin talaga yung hard work and yung dedication niya to make us work, to make this partnership work, na parehas kami nagbe-benefit. And parehas kaming nag-gain ng friends sa isa't isa throughout the process of working together. And sa industriyang ito, masasabi ko na napakalaking bagay kung makahanap ka ng kaibigan sa isang katrabahong matagal mong makakasama. Kasi it's kind of a cruel world. It's not easy being in our shoes. So ang saya lang kasi we got each other's backs. And as for the fans, as grateful as we are for the support na binibigay nila sa amin, na kahit hindi namin hiningi, ibinigay nila sa amin ng buong puso. Syempre, sabi nga po ni Ms. Lea Salonga, we have to set our personal boundaries because at the end of the day, tao po kami. So I guess David will agree with me. Yung personal lives namin outside this partnership, outside this love team, are off limits. The people that make us happy, the people that love us, family, loved ones, off limits po yun. Opo, hindi po yun kasama sa trabaho. Yun po.
Very well said.
Sir Lawrence.
Paano nila?
Wala mga